So today I'm going to go to the nature park here in Tagum. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You can go with me if you want to.
There.
You can.
Walking there.
Yeah, sure.
Too.
Sure. Oh, so very warm today. Thank you.
Wait for a minute.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Welcome to Tagum Nature Park over there. There is the sign. And then we have a small convenience store over there. You can buy some drinks, beverages. Quite nice, but very warm to sit in the motorbike with the helmet. Feel so in it now. But quite nice, the area around here. It's quite nice. So the driver is parking his bicycle and let's walk into the park.
Beautiful place.
Oh. That beautiful park there. Nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
Here we have a small chicken.
Chicken.
Nice.
Come on.
Quack quack quack. Quack 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 quack. Quack quack quack. There's a small one, small.
No lunch. Walay pagkaon, may itsa, aron malingaw ba? Nakay pagkaon diha.
Oh, nice, very nice view from here.
Solemnity place.
Yeah.
That beautiful place.
Oh, very quiet. Just how I like it. The Tagum city is very noisy, but this is quite different. It's quiet. Yeah. So that was the beautiful up there, and it was just so amazing the view over the surroundings. There's an old woman there, Baba Air. And she is very kind to us.
Okay.
Mabuti.
Maayo.
Maayo. Okay, let's go down these stairs and then we go to the next place to take video. So nice stairs going down here. And then we go down to this place down there. I see some kids coming up there now. Nice. So mainit. And then the road going up there. And nice park. Hello. So now I'm at the Huang Nature Park. Yeah.
Huyong Nature Park.
Yes, this is my driver and he is kind enough to drive me here. So we go inside now, they have a zip line, look. And we go down now and just take a look at the park and see what they have inside here. That is a very nice place to take a video. This is the entrance of the park. Hello, so I'm outside of the Hyung Nature Park.
Nature Park.
Yes.
Huyong
And this is so nice. Look at the beautiful sound there. Lots of plants here. Have sign here. Some flowers here. And lots of people over there. They want to take a picture with me. And then we have oh, they're here now. Oh,
Sige na.
Hi, sir.
hello.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the Philippines, sir.
Thank you.
So, how do you like Philippines, sir?
It's so amazing, beautiful place, and also very kind people.
Thank you, sir. Oh, so thank you very much, sir, for a very nice view here. So, you want to take a look inside, sir?
Yes, sir. No, yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go, sir.
Will we go together?
You want, sir?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go, sir.
No, we'll go together. Let's do it.
Ay, paano?
Hello, hi.
Alright, so I'm now in a zip line in this beautiful park, and they're trying now to prepare the next guy to go in the zip line. And you see it's quite high to climb, and over the fjord here, over the water here, until the other side. So quite exciting now to go up. There's a person up the ladder now, as you can see. So quite exciting now to go up there. I also will go, and I'm bringing my tour guide here. This is Queenie, and she is the future tour guide in Tagum. So, okay, this is, we sit next to me. So whenever you go to Tagum, you just contact her, and then she will tour you around in Tagum. She wants to be a tour guide
Someday.
someday. Okay, let's well, here we go. There's a person now going over the water here. Very nice. As you can see, it's quite fast, and I will go there soon also. Exciting to go.
Anong feeling, te? Anong feeling?
Lots of people now here, and they will make lots of pictures. So quite cool to watch. And up there is where you start. Okay, I will make it so that you can see it. Looks so cool, huh? Very cool. I'm going to use my cheap phone for this because I don't take any chances.
Ito?
And ready to go.
Ito kay
So I will go up the ladder
Pinda ko nga ito.
up there.
Kay iniwan man sa akin.
Now it's your turn. The tourist guide will go after me. Because she's scared.
I'm fainting.
Light pa lang yan. Pero nawala ang lipstick.
Fast. Let's fly up.
Siya, okay na? 1-4!
Is it okay? Okay, you are in my video.
Yes.
I'm a blogger from Norway.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
08.
So are you excited to go?
I'm ready.
You too.
0803.
Little bit nervous.
Nervous, yeah.
You?
Nasa baba lang daw.
Oi, it's quite high now. The first time I try it. There's my tourist guide. Are you ready? Are you ready to go?
God. I'm nervous.
Nervous, huh? Nervous too. Very nervous. You know what they say, right? The heavier you are, the faster you go. So you're 50 kilos.
I'm 47 kilos.
And I'm 100 kilos. So I'm going twice as fast as you. Are you ready to go?
Ready na lang. I'm ready.
Are you ready to go? Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let me hear you.
Ready!
You know? very nice.
Walay video!
Very nice, very fast, and very hot look.
Walay video!
So fast. Very fast. Okay, you go now, you go now. Very excited to go.
Nga naman!
Nervous now. My turn next.
I'm writing my name.
You don't do it because you need to go
Ako
to
sunod
the...
ya. Ako sunod or siya. Ikaw, ako first. You go
Yeah,
first.
I'll go first.
Ay, ikaw din. Ikli.
I feel nervous now. This is put my harness on up there. Open the gate.
Ngayon, pag-ingana ba?
Need to wipe my hand so I will not get. I can hold the phone. I hope that it will get. Okay. Are you sure this is okay for me to?
Yes, it's very simple, sir.
Another foreigner has been here before me.
Okay, you can sit.
Can you sit down? Oh, sitting down now. Here we go. Comfy, thank you. Down. Okay, let's go. I'm ready. Throw me out there. This is... Okay.
Isa na! Isa na cellphone!
Part.
Napa di ay?
Dahil mo cellphone part. Jelson.
Go!
Okay, we will go soon.
Ay lang! Ako lang video eh!
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! This is so much cool. Hot look. Okay. And now I have to go up there. Okay. It's fun. Ah. Okay, that's it. Sit here.
Stand up. Yeah.
Yeah, stand up here. That was fast. But it was fun.
You're funny.
Oh, funny. Okay, we go up the ladder there. I will make video because my tour guide is coming. Now he's preparing so that the people will sit. He waves his hands. And now he's ready. Oh, here she comes. This is my guide in the park. Okay, I'll go up here. There she comes, look. She's very hot look.
Oh my god!
Harness again. This costs only 100 pesos. So if you are brave enough to do this one. Again. Wait.
Saan sir? Here.
Kaya gamita boss.
Andi na. Kaya na.
Oh, so fast. Okay. That was fun.
Yeah.
So fast in the entrance there. Okay, thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Salamat. Okay, thank you. Oh. My forehead now is smaller because okay. Now comes the tour guide in the bar. Let's see. Here's the tour guide. And her friends is taking pictures here. There, yeah, look. There it comes.